planning a farmer's market visit. Do you want to go to the farmer's market this weekend?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
What time should we leave the house?
Let's leave early in the morning
Why do we need to go so early?
because the fresh vegetables sell out very fast.
What do we need to buy there?
We need some tomatoes, apples, and eggs.
Do we need anything else for the kitchen?
Maybe we can buy some fresh flowers too.
How should we get to the market?
We can take the bus or drive the car.
I think driving is easier.
Okay, but parking might be hard to find.
That is true. Let's take the bus then.
Good idea. It is better for the environment too.
Do we have enough cash for the shopping?
I will bring some coins and small bills.
Should I bring a shopping bag?
Yes, please bring the big reusable ones.
I am getting excited about the food.
Me too. I want to buy some homemade bread.
Is it going to rain tomorrow?
No, the weather report says it will be sunny.
What should I wear?
Wear comfortable shoes for walking.
Okay, I will wear my sneakers.
I will bring a hat just in case.
Are you ready to make a list?
Yes, I have a pen and paper right here.
Let's write down everything we need.
Okay, I am ready when you are.
This is going to be a fun trip.
I agree. I can't wait to go.
Asking about luggage weight restrictions at check-in. Hello, I would like to check in for my flight.
Good morning. May I have your passport, please?
Sure, here is my passport.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in today?
I have just one large suitcase.
Okay, please place your suitcase on the scale.
All right, I put it here.
Let me check the weight for you.
What is the weight limit for this flight?
You are allowed 23 kilograms for checked luggage.
Is my bag within the limit?
Yes, it looks like it is fine.
How much does it weigh exactly?
It weighs 21 kilograms.
That is a relief. I was worried.
You are safe, so do not worry.
What about my carry-on bag?
You can take one small bag on the plane.
Is there a weight limit for the carry-on?
Yes, it should be under 7 kilograms.
Can I bring my laptop bag too?
Yes, the laptop bag does not count.
What happens if I am over the limit?
You will have to pay an extra fee.
How much is the fee per kilogram?
It is usually quite expensive.
I will make sure to pack less next time.
That is a good idea to save money.
Can I put liquids in my checked bag?
Yes, you can put liquids in the big bag.
What about water in my carry-on?
You cannot bring liquids through security.
Okay, I will drink my water now.
Here is your boarding pass and passport.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe trip.
Choosing a restaurant for dinner date. Hi, are you hungry yet?
Yes, I am starving.
Do you want to go out for dinner?
That sounds like a good idea.
What kind of food do you like?
I really like Italian food.
Me too. Do you like pizza?
Yes, pizza is my favorite.
There is a new pizza place downtown.
Is it expensive there?
No, it is very cheap.
Great, let's go there.
Or we can go to the burger shop.
I ate a burger yesterday.
Okay? No burgers then?
Do they have pasta at the pizza place?
Yes, they have many kinds of pasta.
I would like some pasta.
Should we go now?
Yes, I am ready to go.
Do we need to drive?
No, we can walk there.
Okay, let's leave in 5 minutes.
I will get my coat.
It might be cold outside.
You are right. It is winter.
I will wait for you here.
Don't forget your phone.
I have it in my pocket.
Okay, I am ready now.
Let's go to the restaurant.
I am very excited.
Confirming flight departure time. Excuse me, can you check the time?
Yes, let me look at the ticket.
When does our flight leave?
It leaves at 4:15 p.m.
Is that today or tomorrow?
That is today in the afternoon.
Are you sure about the time?
Yes, it is written right here.
I thought it was earlier.
No, we have plenty of time.
Which terminal is it?
It is Terminal 3, Gate 9.
Is the flight on schedule?
Yes, it is not delayed.
That is very good to hear.
We can relax for a while.
Do you want to get coffee?
Sure, I would love some.
Let's find a cafe nearby.
There is one over there.
How long is the flight?
It takes about 3 hours.
I hope the weather is good.
Me too. I hate turbulence.
Did you pack your bag?
Yes, I am all ready.
Okay, let's go then.
Yes, let's go to the gate.
Requesting a window seat on a flight. Excuse me,
Yes, can I help you?
can I change my seat?
Let me check for you.
I want a window seat.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here is my ticket.
Okay, I see your seat.
Is there a window seat free?
Yes, seat 10A is free.
Is that near the front?
No, it is near the back.
That is okay for me.
You can go there now.
Do I need to pay?
No, you do not need to pay.
That is very kind.
Please take your bag.
Where do I put it?
Put it above your seat.
Is the window seat comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
I like to look outside.
The view will be nice.
Can I open the window?
No, the window stays closed.
Can I use the shade?
Yes, you can open the shade.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
Discussing career development with a colleague. Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure, what is on your mind?
I want to talk about my job.
Okay, I am listening.
I feel like I am stuck.
Why do you feel that way?
I want to grow in this company.
That is a very good goal.
but I do not know how.
Have you talked to the manager?
No, I am too nervous.
You should not be nervous.
What should I tell him?
Tell him you want to learn.
I want to learn new skills,
What kind of skills?
maybe leadership or sales.
Those are very important.
Do you think I am ready?
Yes, you are doing great.
Should I ask for a promotion?
Yes, ask about the future.
I need to update my resume too.
I can help you with that.
Thank you so much.
Anytime, good luck.
Do we have any plans for the weekend?
No, not yet. Why do you ask?
I was thinking about a staycation.
That sounds like a great idea.
We can just relax at home.
Yes, we really need a break.
Should we order pizza on Friday night?
Oh, I love pizza. Let's do it.
What about watching some movies?
We can pick a few comedies.
Do you want to sleep in late?
Yes, I want to wake up at noon.
Maybe we can cook a big breakfast.
I can make pancakes and eggs.
Should we clean the house first?
Yes, a clean house is better for relaxing.
I can take care of the living room.
And I will clean the kitchen.
Do we need to buy snacks?
We should go to the supermarket.
What kind of drinks do you want?
Let's get some soda and juice.
I want to buy some popcorn too.
Don't forget the chocolate.
Should we turn off our phones?
That is a good idea. No work emails.
I just want to read a book.
I might take a long bath.
It will be nice to stay home.
It saves money too.
We can play board games in the evening.
I am going to beat you at chess.
We will see about that.
Are you excited now?
Yes, I can't wait for the weekend.
It is going to be perfect.